A lightning storm rolling into the area August 2023. Cold front will be coming in. It is Friday, August 18th, 2023. Look at all that bright shit coming. This is insane. You guys can literally see where the clouds are right there. I might still be in, I think I'm still in a clear spot. I don't know. Insane. Zoom in on that for you. Insane. Wow. Guys, look at this. This is what we call a bad storm coming. I am deeply shocked. Show you guys our normal view without our night cam. This is normal view without night cam. So we'll keep these on night cam so that way you can see it better. You can see where the front is too, or the first squall, because this is a double squall front. So that means we're going to get a squall first before the actual cold front moves in. Try to get some of these brighter ones on normal cam. You can see how bright they actually are. Night cam allows us to film at night. This makes it easier. Regular cam allows me to film normally like I am now. So this is exactly how I'm seeing it. So put you on night cam that I use for filming at night. You can see how it makes it much brighter. And that makes the lightning look a lot brighter than it actually is. Show a normal cam here. So really right now the lightning isn't terribly bright. And this is before the storm. So maybe when the storm gets closer, we'll try to get you some more. So I'll show you again on normal cam. There we go. We're on normal cam, or night cam, excuse me. No, it's normal. Incredible. So yeah, guys, this is one hell of an electrical storm. Thanks for watching.